We're talking about bullishness. Let's get to your stock picks for today. JP, what are you choosing?
I'm picking an offshore share, Adobe. So I'm sure a lot of people know PDFs, but Adobe makes a lot of software. Their Creative Cloud has got a whole suite of different design software products that they offer for subscription. And those subscriptions are very sticky. Sometimes so sticky you miss the small print of canceling your subscription, and when you see, oh my goodness, my credit card has been debited and I'm a subscriber for another year. So that's the nature of software subscriptions. People were very concerned about AI, as well as other software packages that compete with Adobe that offer AI, and thought they might lose market share, and that has put pressure on the share price. But of late, it does seem like Adobe are pulling up their socks and integrating AI into their suite of software products. So I do believe that they have turned a corner. They've learned a lesson. They are seeing the risk of AI and they're incorporating it. And therefore, that what has been discounted in the share price is perhaps overly negative. And that is why Adobe is my stock pick tonight.
All right, Mark, where are you finding value today?
Yes, tonight I'm picking Old Mutual. So we do think that there's a lot of value in Old Mutual, and now that Old Mutual is getting the new CEO, Yuri Stradom, we think that there'll be opportunity to unlock that value. I think there's a couple of kind of quick wins that he can go for. They've already changed the divisional reporting structure. We think that they can reduce kind of central head office costs a bit. Once they get their own bank to go from a loss-making to a profitable position, that will be accretive. They've sold some of the loss-making African businesses already. So I think that there's a lot of self-help within Old Mutual. And also, it's one of the insurers that's quite geared to equity market performance. So we've seen pretty good performance out of equity markets of late, and that will also benefit the Old Mutual. Plus, they've got excess capital. So we talked earlier about capital allocation decisions. We think that that capital can be returned either through share buybacks because it's trading below its book value, or even a special dividend. And all these things added together will give you a good return over the next 3 to 4 years. We think even maybe 20% a year for the next couple of years.
All right. Thank you so much for your time and for your analysis today, gents. That is all for tonight's Stock Watch. Thanks to our guest, Pierre Verster from Protea Capital Management and Mark du Toit from Oyster Catcher Investments. Up next, The Close. Stay watching.